So today I want to share a bit more details and insights around the Younium Xero connector. First thing that we want to do is connect the your Younium environment with the Xero environment. In this case, we have a entity or company in Xero called Younium, and we go to Younium environment under integrations and enable integrations. We should find the Xero connector. Just click started, and then you add the tenant name, which is the company in Xero. Click validate, and that will get you to a confirmation page. If you have more than one organization, you pick the one that is the one you want to connect to, and then you click allow access, and that would activate the integration. Here you see there are a few different options in terms of what the connector will do. You can import accounts from Xero, you can export accounts from Younium into Xero, and you can import products that you set up in Xero into Younium. And then, of course, you can post the invoices to Xero. So any invoices created in Younium will be posted to Xero. So we want to do that. I want to save that setting. So to create an order in Younium, basically you need the account information, so the customer or company, what you know as contact in Xero. If we want to create a new contact and sync that with into Younium, let's call this an example customer. We'll add a address for the company. You save that, and we have ourselves a new contact called example customer. This is not yet synced to Younium, so what we want to do is import the accounts. So we can click import now. We will let that run for a bit. So once the sync is finished, you will see that 34 items have been imported, one new account, 33 updated accounts. If we go to the account section in Younium, you can see that we now have our example customer, and the remaining customers has been updated if any updates has been made in Xero. So what we can see, if we go to contacts, we have the same list of contacts as we see in Younium. Second thing we want to look at are the products. So you want to create products in Xero that you can sync over to Younium. So under business and products and services, you have the products set up for your company that you sell to your customers. We have one platform subscription, a recurring fee, and then an implementation fee. If we then go to Younium and look at the products, we can see that the platform has already been synced previously. So we want to sync over also the implementation fee. Go to the same page again, go to the product section, press import now. Imported 2 items, one new product and one updated product. When we go to the product section, we will have the implementation fee over here. Next step, we want to create an order with our products and our contact or the company that we just created. So we go to the order section, we create a new order. We pick the example customer. We pick our 2 products, platform subscription, and the implementation fee. So we change this to a one-off flat fee. This can be configured in the product list. And we have our order, set the start date, June 1st, for an initial 12 months. can add a remark to say that this is service. It will be a line remark that comes out on the invoice. We then have our order that we want to create an invoice for and that we want to push to Xero. So we create an invoice with the platform subscription. This is a monthly fee, or they pay monthly. Implementation fee with a line remark. You can see that on the invoice delivery method, it says Xero, meaning that we are connected to that environment, and when we post, the invoice will be posted to Xero. We click post. You get some information that the invoice has been posted. You will also get, under external ERP ID, the number on the invoice in the Xero environment. If we then go back to Xero, under business and invoices, we should find our invoice here. For example, customer. We can see that it has 2 lines. One with some additional information here. You get the service period, or the period that they are paying for, prices and the totals. Xero will calculate the tax rate based on the product settings that will automatically be calculated and not sent from Younium. This will be created as a draft invoice in Xero that can then be approved and sent as email or print invoice in Xero.